Okay guys, today is very humid. You can hear the water in the Gold Star. Let's go inside. Alright. Now we're gonna go over to the other rooms. You can hear both the higher and G's splash. We'll go outside too. Alright, we'll go outside. Not sure if you can hear it. So yeah, Gold Star is sloshing lots of water. It's very humid today. GE's making lots of noise. The higher is also making lots of noise. That's a little higher. Big higher is not running. But there is big higher. And yeah, I'll take you guys back upstairs. It's actually nice in here. I have this thing on low fan most of the time because I heard it's good for dehumidification. Given the sound it's making, I guess that's not that far off. Damn fly's still in here. I'm probably going to be replacing this thing soon just because I can't stand the sound the fan keeps making. Like, you know, the grinding noise that it's making. So I might be replacing this unit with a Frigidaire, but the guy hasn't responded to me quite yet, so I will make a video on it. Now I might even show you how to install it in a weird window like this. Anyways, that will be it for this video. Comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already. It's very humid today. I'll see you all in the next video. See ya.